This is the Segway Ninebot F40E electric scooter, one of the best electric scooters. But first, subscribe to the channel because in this series I'm going to show you everything about this scooter, from unboxing, physical characteristics, how to charge, some problems, and I'm going to do demonstrations and speed tests to know everything about this electric scooter. Before turning the scooter on, let's see the physical characteristics of the scooter. We already seen the speed and power, but there is a small display on the handlebar, with one button to turn on and control. There are rubber grips on the handlebars. I'm going to turn off the scooter for now, because it's not yet activated. Here's the accelerator, but the scooter only accelerates when I push it to get some speed. For safety reasons, I push by mistake and speeds up. It has this spring mechanism which clicks into place at the back so you can fold the scooter, but it also has a bell. There is a brake on the left handle which will activate the disc brake on the rear wheel, which can be adjusted if it doesn't brake hard as you want. On the front there's a light which allows you to see the road at night. Here we have the front wheel, which has the motor incorporated. In here is the mechanism that locks and unlocks so you can fold the scooter. It has a few reflectors, a reflector at the front and reflectors at the back, one on each side. Here is the charger connection. You will plug the power here so you can charge the battery. The base is made of rubber, with a groove pattern to grip your feet well, so you don't slip when you are riding on the scooter. The wheel size is 10 inches, has disc brakes, mud fenders, and a red brake light, which turns on when you brake, to alert other drivers, like a car or a motorcycle has, so you can ride safely. For now, that's all you need to know about the physical characteristics, but later you'll see everything in the demonstrations. To fold the scooter, you have to pull this mechanism, then pull this lever down while holding the handlebar, and the bar tilts. Then the bell insert will fit into the back. It is folded and secured on the back, and now you can lift the scooter and transport it folded up the stairs. To reassemble the scooter, release the clip on the back and raise the handlebar again, and when it's vertical, it engages the mechanism that securely fixes the handlebar, and it's ready to ride again. The screen of the scooter is not touchscreen. For interaction there is only one button which controls the system depending on the number of times you press it. Pressing once turns the scooter on. If you press it again with the scooter turned on, you will turn on the light. To turn off the light, press it again. Press twice to change the driving mode. Pressing twice will switch to normal mode. If I press twice again, it switches to sport mode. Press twice again and it switches to economic mode again. There are 2 digits on the screen, which is the speedometer. It has several driving modes that, when pressed, changes to ecological, normal, sport, and again ecological. Here we have the light indicator, which indicates when you turn on the light. If you turn on Bluetooth, it indicates that this connection is on. It also has a walk mode and 2 other very important symbols. A temperature alert if it reaches very high temperatures, and you should stop riding immediately, or a tool which indicates that you may have problems with the battery or the scooter. And at the bottom there are these dashes, 1 to 5 dashes, which indicates the battery charge. At this moment there are 3 charge lines and 1 is flashing, so the battery is between 60 and 70%. And to turn it off, just press the button for 3 seconds and the scooter turns off. If you need to adjust the brake to have a harder or smoother braking, you will be able to adjust the brake system. To do this, you will need to unscrew this screw. But if you try using the included tool, this tool is small and you can unscrew it. You will need a larger hexagonal tool. And with this tool, place it on the screw and then turn it to unscrew. And then you can adjust this steel wire if you want it to be more harder or if you want to have a smoother brake. And then tighten the screw again with the tool. Therefore, the scooter braking system can be adjusted on the rear wheel, as you prefer for your driving. Let's see in detail all the specifications and technology of this electric scooter. It has a top speed of 25 km an hour with a range of 40 km, but you will see that in the demonstrations. Climb slopes up to 20%, 10-inch diameter wheels, weighs 17.1 kilograms, and it has IPX5 certified for water resistance. It has a 350 watt motor with a maximum power of 700 watts, and the engine is in the front wheel with 4 driving modes: walking, ecological, driving, and sport. It has a 367 watt-hour battery with a charging time of 6.5 hours. The battery is located under the scooter's base, and the battery charge is shown on the display. The wheel size is 10 inches with front-wheel drive, tubeless pneumatic tires, electronic front-wheel brake with regenerative braking, and disc brake on the rear wheel, with a brake lever on the handlebar. For viewing, it has a color information panel, a single button for control and interaction, Bluetooth connectivity. You can also view the status via smartphone, but you can control it through the smartphone. Weighs 17.1 kilograms, allows for easy folding. Unfolded measures 116 centimeters by 114 centimeters by 48 centimeters, and it supports a maximum weight of 120 kilograms. But some features it doesn't have. It doesn't have a suspension, it has no turn signals, doesn't unlock via NFC, it doesn't have a touchscreen, does not allow cruise control, there's no immediate acceleration, and it doesn't have a USB connection. And these are the essential specifications to decide if this is the best electric scooter for you. This was another video about the Segway Ninebot F40 electric scooter, but there will be more videos to know everything about this electric scooter. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, like the video, and if you have any question, write in the comments.